Okay, I might be late to the party right now because Cloud Code just released its local session, which where you can control your Cloud Code from your mobile itself. Right now, it is only for the Max users, I guess, but later on they'll obviously start with the Pro plan. But I was just building something like that for myself, and I guess it's a good time to like show you guys what I was building and how it was helping me from last past 2 days. I was just using this, testing this completely, and let me show you what I was building. So I was building Code Bridge. This is exactly what Cloud Code is doing, but for Cursor specifically. I had plans for like using it with my VS Code and other anti-gravity or something, but for starting, I was just using Cursor because Cursor right now is my tool which I use for vibe coding. Now, how it works, and this is simply very easy. This is just an extension where you can just download it from the marketplace. Right now, I've not made it production. It is just for the personal debugging purposes. You just have to say code bridge start this command. Before this, you have to download this or like clone the GitHub repo that I have given and all the startup guide. And once you have this set up, you just have to start the debugging mode and update your JSON settings. And now when you have JSON in this, you just have to add the bot token and the loud chat IDs from the bot father. This is the bot father. You can create your bots and everything. Once you have this, you can access your new bot. But once you have this set up, you can just close this. Now I've just initialized a new fresh repo. This has nothing right now for the testing purpose, and I have my device here with the Telegram open. So the Telegram window is just for your win purpose. Now once I say code bridge start, it will automatically create two files, which is the dot cursor and the code bridge file, which have the variables stored here in the local repo. And it also started my Telegram chatbot. So now if I just type /help here, so it will give me the command that I can use. Now the main part, this is not only for accessing the AI chat. If you want to chat with your AI, you can just directly say /agent and the message, like you can see it here, /agent and message. It will directly use this chat box and you can access it from anywhere. This PC and your mobile needs to be connected on the internet. And now it is not only for the agent, it is also for the terminal, because Cursor or any other vibe coding tool accesses sandbox, which is the closed environment, and you can't access your own PC terminal there. And the second thing which is very good in this, which I was facing personally, that whenever it requires your user input, it does not notify it other than your desktop, right? I needed the notification on my Telegram or on my device through push notification or anything. So I'll tell you how it will work. So let's say I'll just tell him to /agent create me a simple Next.js app. Okay, and once I run this, see, you saw this message came. I just typed it on my phone and the cursor received this command and it just started doing what it does best. Now if you see, there is a command approval that it is asking me. Now this is like one of the challenge that I was facing while I use Cursor as my tool, which is I wasn't getting any notification when it stops the execution. Now if you see in the Telegram, approval needed, agent wants to run the whole command and reply yes or no. Okay, so I'll use my phone and I'll just say yes. Once I say yes, it will run. See, so it is approving the commands on my go. Again, see, it is asking me for the commands and everything. I'll just set up and I'll show you more things right now. The whole next application is set up right now, but now comes the main part. I can't use this Telegram bot if I had created it only for the agent to start up or to spin up my next from npm run command, because I can't access my terminal through the chatbot. That's why I integrated terminals as well. So now you can control the terminal. Let me show you how. You can just say /help and it will give you the terminal commands. Now if you see here, if you say /run, it will run the terminal. If you say /out, it will print the output of the terminal whatever it is running. And it's just not it, you can use multiple terminal sessions. Let me show you how. Let's say /sessions, so it will give me, there are only one session which is the default one. So if I'll say /new and let's say front end, so it will create a new session and let's say /out. So there's nothing captured yet. I'll just say /cd to change the directory. Okay, sorry, I didn't mention anything. /cd and next app. So this has changed to the current work directory, which is /next app. Now I can just say /run npm run dev, and it is giving me the output of the terminal after 1 or 2 seconds that it is running and it is on localhost 3000. And if I just access my localhost 3000, let's see if it actually starts the server. Yep, it is started. So I can access my terminal as well. I can say it start, I can say it slash kill to stop this, and it will just stop the terminal. And there's, you can create multiple sessions, you can shift between the terminals, you can access your agent to do anything. And this was just, I wanted to build it for myself. Whenever I'm outside home, I can just start my PC, I can just make my cursor available to my telegram bot, and I can access it from anywhere, and I can code, and I can like be working, be present on coding without me actually being coding. So this is like how I wanted my workflow to actually work. And I just made it open source, so you all, like each and everyone is invited to like help me build this, or if you want to build this, if you want something similar to this, I'm open to suggestions, open to anything. So I guess that's it. Thank you so much. Bye bye.